Hello guys! Good noon! It's already noon time, past 12, had lunch. And yeah, we are here in one of the company's office branch here in Georgia. My husband has to attend, what do you call that? Seminar, something like that. Recertification for hazmat load. He has to do it, otherwise he cannot drive. So yeah, in other words, it is a mandatory. I think they are almost done. They had lunch already. My husband brought me some food here in the truck. Nakalibre. And yeah, I'm waiting for him. Yeah, that's the office, and I don't know how many drivers are there. I saw a few of them inside to attend the orientation or seminar or whatever. And it is a rules, trucking rules. My husband is here already. We are done, I guess. How was the orientation, Han? It's okay? We are here in love. Look at their design, hearty design. Oh, look at these beautiful, colorful skulls. Oops! Wow, nice hat. I like it. Look at the design. $13. Oh. I'm glad that we came here early, otherwise no spot. It's almost full. I'm just checking at the back of the trailer because it's almost hit on the ground. Very sweet. You pick up the right one, honey. We're taking a nap because we woke up little early. Not to be late to his orientation. What did you say, Danny? 1 hour. Okay, I will record 1 hour of sleeping. Good night, everyone. Good night. See you next time. Bye-bye.